I'm just going to come right out here to my Zetadocs General Settings page to show you how you can set up your folder structure. So as many of you know, the Capture Essentials comes with a 3-tiered folder structure out of the box. And in the Zetadocs General Settings page, this is where you come to organize your folder structure. So this is the way that my demo environment is set up, where I have the document type first, I have the company name second, I have the date third, and we have our date in this numerical structure, but there are options for that as well. And you can rearrange these however you'd like. There are options to also add additional folders to the structure if you so choose, but that does require a higher license level. You would need Capture Plus for that. The 3-folder structure comes out of the box with Capture Essentials. Another cool thing about SharePoint is that it's permissions based. So you can decide who within your organization can view certain documents. As long as they have SharePoint permissions, they will have access to whatever you want them to have access to. So right down here, you'll see I have my SharePoint website link. And this is what the folder structure looks like in SharePoint. So I have this would be your own SharePoint site. You all would have a Zetadocs library within your own SharePoint site. And in that Zetadocs library, this is where that 3-folder structure lives. So as you can see, I do have my document type as my first folder. I have my company name as my second folder. And I have my date as my third folder. And as you can see, it's created a folder automatically with today's date because of those documents that I just dragged and dropped in there. And if we come in, we'll see all 3 of those documents. We'll also see the document that I renamed. And right here, we have the sales order number. So this is just an example of some of those metadata tags that we store in SharePoint to make these documents really easy for you to find. If you need to come in SharePoint and search for documents related to a particular sales order or a particular purchase invoice or whatever type of document it is, you can put that record number right here, search for it, and it'll pull all related documents. As long as you have the right permissions to view those documents, you will have access to viewing them.